Well, we are in the heat of summer vacation season, and many of us are longing for an Italian escape. But if you can't take flight, you can still bring the tastes of the Mediterranean to your plate. And joining us with recipes to enjoy FRESCO is award-winning chef and author of the new book, Italian Recipes for Dummies, Amy Riolo. It's so good to see you again.
Thank you so much. I mean, it's great to be back.
Oh, my goodness.
In the studio.
I know. It's such a treat for us. And congratulations on this newest book. What inspired this one?
Thank you. Well, you know, years ago, I used to teach a Mastering Italian certification series in conjunction with the embassy at a local cooking school. And it taught you everything you needed to know, from breadcrumbs and broth all the way up to filled pastas and elaborate desserts. And it actually gave a certification. And I said, you know, it's a shame that that school no longer exists. People don't have that knowledge. So I put all of that into this book. So even though it's a very simple title, it's actually everything you need to know from a professional chef standpoint, from a grandmother's standpoint about Italian cuisine.
Oh my gosh, I can't wait to dive into this. And by the way, Veronica Johnson, one of our Stormwatch 7 meteorologists, says she's cooked a few recipes from it.
Veronica. Hi, Veronica.
And they're wonderful. Okay, so you brought a few dishes today, and then we're going to make one. So talk to us about a few of the recipes that are in the book.
So I'll go in order. We've got the caprese salad over there, the tomatoes and the basil.
Yes.
They're showing the strawberry tiramisu right now.
Yes, yes.
And we'll do the next the swordfish here. This is grilled Calabrian swordfish with fennel. And then I've got the tagliatelle with a little bit of ricotta basil sauce.
Okay.
And then we've got a macedonia, which is just a fancy word for an Italian fruit salad, doused with a little bit of my private label white balsamic vinegar. The caprese salad. And then we're gonna make our strawberry tiramisu, which is perfect. Instead of strawberry shortcake, this is like the Italian cousin, right? 4th of July is coming up.
I've never made a tiramisu before. I think because I'm a little bit, I just don't know where to begin. Right. So you are here.
So easy. It's the easiest dessert. Yeah, so this is a version. This is not the classic version. This is a variation with strawberry. But for any tiramisu, no matter what flavor you want to make, whether it's classic or flavored, you always start with the lady fingers.
Okay.
Right? So they're our first thing we're going to use, a dry component. Then you've got a liquid. Normally it's coffee and a little bit of liqueur, but I've got strawberries.
Okay. So like a strawberry puree.
Exactly. I just put strawberries in the blender. That's it.
Okay.
And then we've got sugar, egg yolks, mascarpone cheese, whipped cream cheese.
Okay.
The traditional one has egg whites. This is also in traditional, but I'm using whipped cream cheese.
Okay.
And a little bit of vanilla. And kids make this in Italy. This is like the first recipe they learn to make because there's no cook, no alcohol, right?
Yeah.
So it's really fun, really easy for kids. I'm gonna start by just putting my sugar in here.
Okay.
And then my egg yolks, and I'll whisk these together. Then I'll add my other ingredients. And you know, if you want to start building, you could just break up those little lady fingers.
And when you say break up, like?
In half, just right in half.
Oh, right in half? Okay,
because you're gonna fit them into your container. I've used a big container, so I didn't need to break it.
Okay.
But you have a little container, so that's it.
Okay.
And then what you'll do is you'll just take some and dunk them right into your strawberry puree.
Dunk them?
Right in there, and then they're gonna go into the whole thing. And I've got some forks here if it's a little bit messy for you.
That's
you
okay.
could use those. And I've got a napkin right there.
And then I just put them up like this?
You're gonna set them right down on the bottom of the, exactly, just like that.
Okay.
That's all you need, actually. That's enough, just like that and like that.
Okay, and I'll do
two
one
and
for
two.
the other one.
So you do one layer at a time. Now my egg yolks are mixed into my sugar. I'm gonna ask my mascarpone to be kind and just kind of blend right in there with everything.
Beautiful.
A teaspoon of vanilla. And you can layer some strawberries right on top. So because this is an extra version and it's not just the regular one that we're using, it's easy to be able to have that right on top.
Okay, Dana. And by the way, while you're mixing that, tell me about your latest event. You were at the Italian embassy?
Yes, so I was
You look beautiful, by the way. Go to her Instagram page.
Thank you so much. It was so much fun. So the Italian embassy had a gala on Friday. It was a benefit for the Italian Cultural Society, and it was called Beyond the Runway. So it had the local author of House of Gucci, and also the fashion great Domenico De Sole. He was our honoree. And you know, this was just all about fashion and food and all the great things that supporting the Italian culture and language. And I had the honor of emceeing, so it was really, really fun. It was a great night. They had a lot of talented children and just so many people there under one roof. It was really amazing.
Wonderful.
To see everyone.
And then I'm guessing we'll top that onto here?
Exactly. We're going to add a little bit of our mascarpone cream. Now, if you're home, you could do this in a blender. You know, you don't have to do it this way, but because I'm here.
Oh my gosh, this is so good.
I didn't want to make the noise.
How do people How do people get a hold of you and follow you and purchase your book?
So they can get the books on Amazon.
Okay.
My products are at Dettalia.com, or they can visit my website, amyriolo.com. I've got all of these recipes on the website.
Oh,
but I'm going to continue layering this, but I wanted you to be able to taste a little bit. So it has to sit up overnight, right? Once you get done layering, you let it go like 6 hours, and then that's going to be
I feel like I'm in Italy. Thank you so much, Amy
Thank you for
Riolo.
being
Follow
here,
her
Eileen.
online, and we'll have more of Good Morning Washington right after this quick break.